perfect, nice shot. Kintbury, level crossing. Kintbury,
Langley Green. Time now is 12:17 on Saturday the 22nd of April 2017. This is for you 12:20, 1 kilo 50. Great Western Railway service from Reading to Bedwin.
We're down for the 12:20.
1 kilo 50. Reading to Bedwin.
Reading to Bedwin. Down for Reading to Bedwin.
I think I attempted to make this on roadblocks, but then it sort of failed.
Sounds well nice, that alarm.
Yeah.
I don't get too close to the barrier when we're at MCVs because they can get over, they can like come out and have a go like they did at watching Furnace Vale, but after the closure, we just like got told off against the barrier. Because he knocked on the window, he said get back, and then after the closure, he just put his head out and said, what are you lads doing, and you shouldn't be that close and stuff.
I still remember the video of you
For
guys.
some funny reason, Furnace Vale has 3 alarms, even though it's a 2-barrier MCB. And it's got flash.
Some IDs have 4 yodel arms.
So yeah, it's weird having 3 though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Closest I can think of with 3 yodel arms is Cottage Lane in Nottinghamshire, Furnace Vale. Funny thing about, you know, Kiverton Park level crossing. It's the same as this, but 2 alarms on this side and none on that side.
Like she had that as well.
She did it.
Yeah, had both C2S's on one side.
On one top. Spondon's got 4 alarms, but on 2 on one top.
There's a Kintbury light.
It's the only thing that operates through here.
That alarm was well good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sounded proper, you know.
Sounded a bit like Langley.
I was expecting it to be proper quiet.
Sounded a bit like Langley and also a bit like, oh, what's the other one we went to?
Cradley Heath.
Yeah,
but that's got a really dodgy alarm now.
Yeah.
Like, hurrah. I really want to go there. We were supposed to be going there today, but Will said he couldn't make it. The plans for today, because Adam's stopping with me as I don't get my car back to Wimbledon. Adam, firstly we asked was to see if we could meet up with Will in Gloucester, and that was going to turn out. The second plan was to meet up with James and Richard in Kent. And then I thought of meeting up with you, but I couldn't think of any crossings that we hadn't already done. The fourth plan was trying to see if Matt would help with Shrewsbury, something like those crossings we haven't yet, like on the Wesley line.
Here it comes. It's coming. First Great Western lively. 165 161. To Bedwin. From Reading to Bedwin. One hit, 5, just 1.
It's going to go up.
There you go.
Up they go. See you guys in the next video.